The BOBLOV M5 2K body camera boasts some impressive features for its price point. A key selling point is the 1440p video resolution, capturing clearer details than standard 1080p. The 48MP photo capability is a nice bonus. Night vision, powered by 6 IR lights, seems promising for low-light conditions, a crucial feature for security and law enforcement. The claimed 12-hour battery life with a 4,200 mAh battery is definitely appealing for extended use. The built-in GPS is a valuable addition for evidence collection and even for personal use like documenting travel experiences. The IP67 waterproof and 2-meter drop resistance ratings suggest a rugged build, suitable for challenging environments. The car mount functionality effectively turns the M5 into a dashcam, adding to its versatility. Having 128 gigabytes of internal storage is a huge plus, eliminating the need for separate memory cards and providing ample recording capacity. The inclusion of accessories like various clips and the car charger demonstrates a thoughtful package. However, real-world testing is needed to verify the manufacturer's claims, especially regarding battery life, night vision performance, and video quality in different lighting conditions. The advertised 12-hour recording time is likely under ideal conditions, and actual usage may vary. While the specs look good on paper, practical use will determine if the BOBLOV M5 truly lives up to its potential. Stay tuned for a full, in-depth review where we'll put this body camera through its paces.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.